Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how to host your website or multiple website in Linux server. We will configure web server or say LAMP in Ubuntu 22.04 LTS and host website in this very server. I have installed Ubuntu 22.04 in VMware as you can see. This terminal is my Windows PC terminal. We will do SSH here. Let's SSH this server so that it will be easy to paste command and configure. The SSH is done, now we will configure everything here. Now, this is the official website of DigitalOcean. It have very good documentation about this configuration. Also you might encounter some issues during configure. We will discuss about it later in this video. So we will follow this website configuration process, so stay tuned this video. And let's get started. To configure web server, we have to configure LAMP as you saw here. We have already Linux system. After that we will configure Apache. Follow my steps and configure Apache in Linux system. Copy-paste the commands. If you can't copy, you can manually type this command as well. The installation is done. Now allow UFW Ubuntu firewall so that this Linux will allow Apache to run. As you can see, rules updated. Once you allow let's verify. Copy your Linux server IP and browse in browser. You can see this Apache default page. You might face this issue sometimes. If you can't see Apache page, check your IP, use your public IP to browse, or check the IP you are using is accessible outside your server or not. After Apache, let's configure MySQL. Let's copy this command and paste in it. It will configure in no time.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Then we will proceed secure installation. Once MySQL is installed, copy this command and paste. It will ask you some questions, just follow the steps as I do. Here it's asked for password validation. We will say yes. Let us write MySQL username and password. I am using simple password. You should use your password strong and reliable. It asks for password length, select 0. Here we allow root login now. After configuring all, later we will disallow remote login by default.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Here we remove test databases. We will create our own when needed. Here, reload all privileges. This MySQL configuration is done. Clear the terminal. Now finally let's install PHP. Copy-paste this command to install PHP along with its some modules. It might take some time. After installation you can verify whether it is installed or not. Well, PHP is installed. You can see its version here. We have installed 8.1 by default. Well, our server is ready for website to deploy. Now we will configure server for the website. All LAMP is installed successfully. Let's verify whether all services is running or now. We can see, MySQL is running perfectly. Also Apache is running okay. So let's start for website. The website files and data is available in /var/www/htmlf. We can see that the index page is already available in HTML folder. This is the index page for Apache page you can see here. Equals. To create our website page, we should place our website data in this folder. At first, we will create index.html for our website in /var/www folder. Here I am creating my index page named index.html. Copy this code. This is my website static code, just for testing. Copy this code and paste in index.html. Change the user in group of the file and folder. Make user in group as root. Now go to this folder and create a file named yourwebsite.conf. As you can see, I am creating test.conf. And copy-paste this. And edit this. This is the configuration file for your website. Whatever you edit here will be configuration for your website. For example, edit server name to your website name like xyz.com. Alias name will be like www.yourdomain.com as you can see here. Server admin is admin mail address. Document root is your website document location like we have /var/www. You can even change your error log location. If you have no idea about it, I suggest it to leave as it is. Just change server name if you have domain. And document location. Since I have no domain name right now, I comment server name and only change root location. And save it. Copy this command and run it. This command disable default site that is Apache site. So that when we browse at IP it will only run our website that we created. Again, check Apache configuration by this command. If this is okay, it will show syntax okay as you can see here. Let's reload Apache server once again. Now let's check whether our website is working or not. Go to browser and paste our server IP and press enter. As you can see, this is our website that we have created in index.html. If you want to open your website by your domain name, for example, xyz.com, then change the server name to your domain name and point your DNS record to the server IP. As simple as that. That's it. This is how we create our website and host it into Linux server.